Hey guys, what is happening? Hey, me and Jasper is out here today, and we're out here to test another bird today. This is Rob Baker's RG210, and we're going to put it through its paces today. We had one hell of a tropical storm here yesterday. It lasted about 8 hours, but it's Monday now, so it's still kind of gloomy and overcast, which is, I can dig that because it ain't gonna make it so damn hot. So we're gonna put this bird here through its paces and do all the quality control checks on it. We're gonna run all these packs on it. Jasper even says he might fly a little bit. Well, you know, we'll see. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, we got this bird ready, all fired up, ready to go. And we're gonna do our initial checks. First thing we're gonna do is do a prop check, motor check. Alright, we're good. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and do a discovery beeper check. Alright, we're good there. Alright, we're going to do a fail-safe check where we're actually going to arm the bird and we're going to turn off the TX, which is going to represent signal loss, and the bird should shut down within 1 to 5 seconds. Alright, here we go. Armed, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and perfect. Alright guys, we're ready to take this bird for a flight. Alright, looking good, mine, looking good. A little trim work here. Alright, that looks pretty good. A little bit back to the right. Alright, that looks spot on right there. Alright, let's do a quick control check. Yaw check. Yaw check looks good. Alright. Alright. Alright, let's do a punch out. Wow. Yeah. Looking real good, mine. Yeah. Wow. That was quick, and that was just on a 70C. I ain't even put 100C on here yet. Yeah. Need to bring that battery forward just a little bit, I think. And she screams, that's for sure.